Jamie boy. Bye! Hi! Hi! For today's video, kasama ko ngayon si Jamie boy. Gagawin natin yung The Fairy Friend tag. Jamie! Sa vlog na to, iba't ibang araw ko siya ginawa, kaya mapapansin nyo sa ibang question, ibang day siya, tapos konting questions na lang sasagutin ko for today. Naan ko lang din naisipan gawin tong The Fairy Friend tag. Hi! Naisipan ko siyang gawin kahapon sa Everest nung dumalo kami sa lolo ko. Tapos, oo nga, why not The Fairy Friend tag tayo? His name is Jamie and he is a Japanese pig. Jamie! Year 2012, nakuha ko to si Jamie. Binigay sa amin ng ninong kong dentist. Hi, Jamie! Hi! Jamie loves to watch Netflix with us. Palagi.
I'm so sorry. For what? I want to hear everything.
So busy, Jamie.
You always been unable to do that?
Nice little gator. P.S. You were prettier with the mask.
Baby brother. Bunso na to sa family namin. Diba, kuya? Si kuya nagbibideo. Agree ka, uy. Nicknames niya, Bebe Taba, Jamie Boy, Pochok, Jamie Bogi, Piggy, Piggy. Ang dami niyang nicknames. Jamie is 6 years old. Happy 6 years! Going 7 sa May 2019. Ang good boy niya. Wala pa siyang nasirang kahit ano sa bahay. Doon siya natutulog sa amin. Lagi. Katabi ko minsan. Oh, good. He loves McDonald's French fries so much. Minsan nga yung burger meal or cheeseburger meal na bibilhin ko. Yung French fries automatic para kay Jamie na. So, burger at soft drinks na isa. Oh, hindi ko alam. Marunong kami mag-swimming. Never ko pa kasi nasama to si Jamie sa swimming. So, yes, I love to dress him up. Yung damit niya ngayon, jersey. Kita natin, jersey. Kita natin yung maganda mong jersey. That's all. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me and Jamie. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up if you like this video. Feel free to leave comments and don't forget to subscribe, my friend. Bye!